Today's video is another wig review. This time it is a wig from Yonova Hair. Ntse ke batla wig nyana e telele ya Brazilian ekeli, and Yonova Hair was like, "Wezi ging sesi iroko zame iroko bontsene ska wara ngwana ko hi, we've got you." So I hope the wig lives up to the hype that I have for it, because I am excited, and it is a 20-inch watercolor wig. But get water hairs. So let us see what it comes with inside. First of all, the packaging is fire. So the box is like this foldable box. But how cute is this box? So let's see what it comes with. It comes with the thing to melt your lace. Ooh, I've been looking for one of these. Influencers. Yes, it comes with that, and then obviously a wig cap, the 2 pieces wig cap, but it's a normal wig cap. It's not that HD wig cap. And then you have got yourself a wax stick. Interesting, a wax stick, an entire wax stick. Thank you. And then you also have let's see what this is. Very interesting. Oh, a bonnet, a silk bonnet. Obvi, I don't need one, because I mean the silk bonnet itself. But I will give this to my sister's kid. She's been looking for a silk bonnet, and I think it's just a nice to have. So thank you for the gift, Yonova Hair. I wonder if all the wigs come with that, but I am impressed. Anyway, araboneng wigi yona ke a 20-inch 4x4 closure. You know how I feel about the lace front, right? So obviously I wasn't gonna do a lace front. Ooh, interesting. 20 inches. I need to pull out my measuring tape. 20 inches, because in my mind this is 20 inches. I hope you can see the whole thing. And this does not look like 20 inches, but it's curly hair, right? So curly hair obviously looks shorter, but I am actually gonna measure the length. Is it 20 for real? I told you guys, my wig game is about to go up. My wig review game is about to glow up. Okay, so I'm gonna take a few of the strands and then try to make it as straight as possible and measure the length. As a 20 inch. Hey, it's giving 14 inch. It's giving 14 inch. Batong Luna, I was measuring the wig wrong. The right way is to go from the top of your head all the way down. So you will see when I'm actually doing it the right way. 20 inches. Batong. I'm so sorry, Yonova. Guys, please measure your wigs correctly. Batong. And then I also wanted to weigh it. And remember, I told you I'm weighing all my wigs from now on, so we can see the density of the wig, right? It's 198 grams. 20 inch 198 is 150% density wig. It's okay. I think it's okay. I just don't want a wig that's less than 130, right? So that's what I'm looking at. But anyway, let's get to just seeing what the wig looks like inside. This is the closure. The closure itself, it's a little bit rough. Not my favorite closure. I like the smoother, silkier closures. But it's not a train smash. This is the clips. It's got clips on the side. And then it also has clips at the back. And then it also has a band. So pretty good, pretty decent. So, let's just see. Okay. It's long. That is good. I'm not the bestest friend of the closure, right? I am a wear and go girl. I need a closure that kind of sort of looks like it's pre-plucked, and this one is not giving pre-plucked vibes, but it's not a train smash. We can work with this. And then the color also, obviously you'll have to put some foundation on it so that it works with your thingy. And let's see if it's 4 inches. I'm gonna do 4x4 closure. I just want to be petty these days. I'm tired of being scammed by wig companies, man. Yes, it is a 4-inch closure going that way, so it is indeed a 4x4 inch closure. Since let's say closure 4x4 inch, like banana we do 4 inches skin. But so this is indeed a 4-inch closure, and I will show you the picture on the video. I mean, I'll show you the video. I mean, what am I saying? I will show you the link of the wig on their website so that you can make up your mind. I think it has a little less density than what I was hoping for, but I think let's cut the lace. Draw the conclusion. I think it might still be like a wear and go lace wig, and I want sweet cutter. So I cut if I like that it doesn't have a predetermined closure, like a predetermined parting, so it gives you freedom to play around with your own parting. That is great. Ooh, okay. Okay. okay, let's get this on. Let's cut this lace. Can boninyana something got potential more. So let's cut this lace, and then we probably gonna put some foundation on it. Oh my gosh, it's giving beach vibe, you know, like summer curls. Like I'm trying to be pretty, but I'm not really pretty. It's giving. I love this wig, but I must just find something to get rid of this. You know what? I will use that, but I just wanna hide that. Like so. Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam. Now we are talking. You know what? I don't like baby hairs, but this is giving baby hairs. Follow now the baby hair. Now I do not better because I think I'll go test them with you, but I love this wig. I really like the water curls. Oh my gosh, I look like I'm at a festival. I look like I'm at Coachella. Yes, it's giving Coachella girly, looking cute, feeling the vibe. So I decided to just glue it down because I don't know anything. I just felt like it. And I tell you, this was the best decision that I made because she ate. Mama ate and left no crumbs, girly. I am telling you, I am loving this wig. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And where is the lace, man? The lace has disappeared. It is nowhere to be found. I think also what you can probably do with this wig is pre-pluck it. So it could do with some pre-plucking to like plucking it to almost like customize it, you know. But I don't have the time nor the energy to do that. Let me use their wax stick. I mean, I'm not mad. Matter of fact, I'm very impressed. And it's a touch and go, hey? Honestly, I thought they were playing with my feelings when I started this tutorial. I mean, this wig. But clearly they were not. They just needed me to, you know, trust the process. And ma'am, once I trusted the process, I came up with some girlies. Let's look at the shading a little bit, right? I think it doesn't have that much shading. This is how much, can you even see that? This is how much shading I have had so far. So there isn't a lot of shading on the wig. But how gorgeous is this girly? When I get Luna. Is this my favorite wig? I don't know. I'm not sure. not sure. No, you know what? I really like this wig. I really like this wig. Yonova, you have absolutely impressed me. I'm not even going to be mad. I'm not even going to be mad, guys. Please check out that website. Because this water wave wig has absolutely impressed me. Let's see if you do like a side part. Ooh. You do those parts side and then you go around. Mind you, this is a 4-inch closure, right? A 4x4-inch closure, but I don't think there are limitations. Oh, look at that bump. Who's this girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Ignore my fingers. But I'm gonna give you a week. She is so fine. She's so fine, like divine wine. Gorgeous. Bona byanong. Awa byanong mo. Bona kira thata mo. Ka wiki e. Ai shem ka wiki kira thata. I think I always like the finger comb look more than anything. But anyway, this is the finger curly vibe. Then let's try the, oh gosh, this wig is nice. I'm gonna use the mousse, my curl defining mousse, and the wet look vibe. Ne? So I'm gonna take some curl defining mousse. This is a 4x4 closure. This is a 4x4 closure. You'll never believe. Look at that. Look at that girly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like a photo shoot the beach. What? Yo, I think I still prefer the curly wig over the wet look, but this is the wet look that you get from the wig. I am still very impressed. I think the baby hair gang will absolutely love this wig. I'm not the baby hair gang. Let me see when I part it to the side. Mind you, I haven't used heat, hey? I've just been manipulating this wig. I haven't used any heat. It looks so gorgeous. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in with me today. I absolutely enjoyed this wig. Once again, the company is called Yonova Hair. They do have a website, so check them out on the website. Literally, it took 3 days for my wig to arrive, so that was very impressive. I think they have a branch in South Africa. I suspect when I looked on the website, it looks like they do have one called Crown Mines, which is the area where the Dragon City. So, I mean, but it's not in Dragon City. When I checked, it was not in Dragon City, because if they were, nekilo driver kilo wa fa kiss. Kiribona, omikisenyana. Because this was actually a very beautiful wig. But anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.